Good afternoon, everyone. And thank you to Hayley and Grace and all our mental health ambassadors for the great work that they have done throughout the year in helping us to gather data. We started by using the data provided by you, the students, but also our staff and our parents to develop our mental health strategy. And hopefully you'll see that on the screen. Our strategy is like a frame, like when you build a bridge. We have built the frame with 4 supports, which we will call our focus areas. And these are our culture and values, which is how we feel about mental health, our knowledge, which is what we know about mental health, our skills, what we can do for positive mental health, and our support, who can help us. Each support or focus area has 1 or more key actions. And to achieve these key actions, we need to develop ideas and work together to build the rest of our bridge. We want all parts to be connected so it is strong, useful, and that it makes a difference long term. We all have a part to play in building our bridge. Our goal is to manage our wellbeing, tackle challenges, and thrive at Santa Maria and in life. I hope that you will help us create the change and continue to build this movement. We can't do this alone. The only way we can achieve this is with your help. The hard work is only just beginning, but I feel positive that together we can make the changes we need. I will be sending an email to all students to share information about our mental health strategy. And I am seeking students who would like to become mental health ambassadors and join our team and be responsible for driving a small change. Our bridge or our strategy will be most successful if we have diverse groups with different skill sets willing to make a contribution. What can you do?